Mae hi'n flwyddyn hynod o gyffrous i Coleg Brenhinol cerdd a drama Cymru eleni, gyda dim llai na 4 band yn cyrraedd rowndiau terfynol band Cymru. Pres Symffonig ydy enw'r criw yma, felly bod nhw'n ifanc, ond wir i chi, mae'r hyder yn llifo.
Mae'n rhoi enw da i'r coleg bod 4 ensemble di cael trwyddo i'r ffeinal. Sa'n credu bod nhw'n digon da i giro ni.
Dim gobeith nhw, really.
Sy'n pwynt nhw droi lan i fod yn deg, ond mae rhaid nhw fi'n credu, so falle gewn ni weld i fe.
Ni'n band andros o brysur. Ni'n neud cyngerddau bob tymor yn coleg. A dros ben hynny, ni hefyd yn mynd o gwmpas ysgolion fel rhan o outreach, fel dysgu plant am beth i offrnau pres a siarad anogi nhw i pigo i fyny, offeryn i hunain.
Ymarfer ni bob bore di Mercher am 2 awr. Mae'r darnau ni war yn eitha galed.
Mae Kevin i llwyd yn eitha galed yn ni hefyd. Eisiau cael gorau allan ni.
We've got all nationalities for a start. There's Irish, Scottish, English, Welsh. I'm a New Zealander. But in terms of their characters match their nationalities really, and we've kind of mixed together pretty well. Have a good laugh.
Our head of brass, Kevin Price, will make everyone do a separate audition during their first term, and he chooses people for this symphonic brass ensemble solely on how well they perform in that audition.
Mae'n trial i orau i gael ni ofni fe fi'n credu. Mae'n neud i ni gweithio'n rili galed i gael e lan i'r safon oedd e'n disgwyl wrtho ni.
That's great. It's a really dirty second to last chord. It's what we need.
There's a great tradition of brass banding culture in Wales, but I think we can easily match them. We're, I think, a very talented group. We rehearse a lot, and we'll give our best in the day, and that hopefully will be enough.
I don't really care that we're going up against world number ones. Although we're maybe in the same competition, that's not going to stop us being as confident as we can and going out there and giving them hell.
Os ni'n ennill y 10,000, mae cwpl o tafarnau neis. Falle ewn ni rai posh, falle am change falle.
Symffonig Brass! That's a wrap.